Here we have the function x squared minus 4x plus 7, and we want to find the critical numbers of the function f of x and also the points at which the function has a maximum or a minimum. And so we graph this function right here on the graphing calculator. This is what it looks like, and it looks like the graph has a minimum at the point 2, 3. And so what we want to do is find the critical points and then verify that the minimum is indeed 2, 3. And so to find critical values or numbers, we take the derivative of f of x and the derivative of this function, derivative of x squared is 2x, derivative of 4x is 4, and then the derivative of the constant 7 is 0. So which is 2x minus 4. And then next, set the derivative equal to 0. And solve for x. And so we set this equal to 0. And right here, at 4, we get 2x is equal to 4. And then divide both sides by 2, we get x equal to 2. And this is called a critical number of f of x. And the definition of a critical number is a number where the function, where the derivative is equal to 0, or where the derivative is, where the function is not differentiable. Meaning where the derivative does not exist, or equal to infinity. And so we have a critical number at 2, 3. And then now we do f of 2, evaluate the function at 2, and see what we get. And so here we got, and we replace x with 2. And so we get 4 minus 8, which is negative 4, plus 7, which is 3. And then we look at the graph. We can see that the graph has a minimum at the point 2, 3. And so we say that f of x, the function f of x, has a minimum at the point 2, 3. And then also from the graph we can see that the function has no maximum, because the function will go, this function has no maximum because it will go up, infinitely up, but it stops right here at 3. And so when y is 3, that's the lowest. and the minimum is f of 2, which is equal to 3. And then if we look at the graph, we see that if we start up here and we go down, so the lowest that the graph will go down to is when y is 3. And so we say that the minimum is f of 2, which is equal to 3.